okay, that's okay. Jump.
Okay, so we are on day, what day is it? 6, day 5, and today is our COVID test day. So we made a reservation over at the concierge, and it's 8 a.m. So we're gonna be meeting the doctor in a few minutes, and he's gonna take us downstairs to the doctor's office area. Apparently there is one, and they're gonna do the test. And then we get the results back in 24 hours apparently. We'll see how that goes. Are you ready for this?
Always.
Always? Always ready. Doctor's on Mexican time. Thought he was here, but he's not. So we're gonna wait out here in the loading zone. Okay, someone's here. We're going. Oh, hat down.
Mateo?
This is
And Brooke.
hello. Niño muy asustada or scared.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
No tengas miedo. Yo soy muy linda.
Yeah. I know. Well, last time we took the COVID test, it was a bit of a disaster. It went up. Feels like it goes up in your brain, right? Yeah. That's why we're a little nervous.
It took like 15 minutes.
No, it didn't. It was only a second. Probably felt like 15 minutes. You'll be okay this time. Now you're a seasoned pro, you already know what it's all about. The lower one won't
First
even.
in the nose and second in the mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Relax, 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 relax. Okay.
See, no big deal. There you go.
Listo.
Hold on.
There, see too? No big deal. I know. It's okay. You want mommy to go now? Or are you gonna go? Oh, my love. There we go, and then the second one goes in the mouth. Oh, baby.
Just a little bit.
There you go.
All done. All done.
There. Oh, you
All
did
done.
it. Great. Great boy. See? That was good. I know. It feels funny. Like this. Oh, good boogies.
Buggers.
Okay. Okay. Say, hey, the hard part's over. Okay. Now this one's just in your mouth.
The mouth, no.
No, it's not in the nose. It's not in the nose.
No, it's
It's only in your mouth. Okay, open. She only does it in your cheek. It doesn't go in your
You won't
cheek.
even feel this one, Mateo.
This one is okay. There you go. See? There you go. See?
There you go.
That one's fine. Good.
All done, buddy.
There.
Okay, what was it?
10 out of 9.
A 10 out of 9? So a 9 out of 10 experience for that?
I mean a 10 out of 10.
Was it as bad as you thought it was gonna be? No, not as bad.
10 out of 10.
So those were 2,500 pesos each, and they take cash only. So there's an ATM just right around the corner here.
Did I do a good job?
You did an excellent job, babe. Yeah.
I think the big question is, was it worth a Mexico trip to get that thing jammed in your head? Would you do it all over again? Come for 7 days in Mexico and do another test? You do it again?
I would
Yeah.
do it 100 times. There we go. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, let's go to some waterfalls.